All right, class, this is Mr. Beller talking to you about your coherent paragraph quiz instructions. So the assignments listed out right in front of you. You'll see this on the blog as well. All right, so what do you have to do? When you're writing a quality paragraph, the first thing that you have to do is take out a position. Lay out an argument that you're going to try to support and develop throughout the paragraph. So what I would do is stake out your position on the legacy of Reconstruction. Do you think Reconstruction overall was a success in addressing the 4 areas of concern that we laid out? Do you think Reconstruction overall was a failure to address the 4 areas that we have laid out? Or do you think that Reconstruction was a success in some areas and a failure in others? If you are going to straddle the fence, so to speak, on Reconstruction, you have to outline which areas you think Reconstruction was a success and which areas you think Reconstruction was a failure. All right, so now that's your topic sentence. That's the very first sentence that you want to write out. After that, all the terms that you use, you need to put them in a way which speaks to the larger picture. All right, and it helps support and develop the point that you're going to try to make. So for Andrew Johnson, for instance, you need to identify Andrew Johnson. Who was he? All right, and you need to explain to me the role that Andrew Johnson played during Reconstruction, and then you need to tell me was Andrew Johnson's role an example of how Reconstruction was a success, how it was a failure, whatever argument that you laid out with your topic sentence. You want to do this again for the Radical Republicans, and you want to do this again for the Compromise of 1877. So to recap, identify the term, tell me the role that they played in Reconstruction, and explain how and why their role was an example of whatever your argument is. Reconstruction is a success, Reconstruction is a failure. Transitional words, analytical phrases that would help you out. Displays, highlights, influenced, allowed for, expresses, resulted in, similarly. Likewise, also, which proves, illustrates, shows, because, since, due to, like, just as, just like. These are all analytical phrases here that would help you out with your analysis, which would help you provide context, would help you support and develop your argument throughout the paragraph. That is your assignment. Best of luck.